Hi all, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about IIS, Internet Information Services. I hope you guys are familiar with IIS. If you are used any .NET applications or developing a .NET application, maybe you heard the word IIS. When you are configuring the web server for connecting the web application with the server, we are using this IIS. And in the Windows Server, we can install the IIS for hosting the web services. Like if you are using the web server for hosting a website, it will work with our domain. So the Internet Information Services is an extensible web server that created by Microsoft. It supports all the HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, all the protocols. Now I will tell you how to install and configure the IIS in your Windows server. Click on Server Manager. As usual, click on Add Roles and Features. Before starting installation, you ensure that the administration password is strong, and the network settings, as I told earlier, it should be an IP address of static method, and the most current security update should be up to date. Let's go for the demo. Click on Next. Here we are going with role-based feature installation. Okay, click on Next. And here you choose the role or services you want to install. Here we are going to the web server IIS. Here you can read the description. Web server IIS provides a reliable, manageable, and scalable web application infrastructure. Click on Add Features. Click on Next. Here you can add any other features you want to provide. Now click on Next. Here we are adding these features with the IIS web server. It includes HTTP web server protocols. You can add or remove as you wish. Here we are not configuring that FTP server now. Now you can see here what are the selections you have made. Click on the restart destination server automatically if required. Click on Next. Click on installation. Now the IIS server installation is started. Wait for the completion. Yes. Now the installation is done. Now I will show you how to access your IIS server. Open your web browser. Here we are using Internet Explorer. Now you can search http://http host localhost. Now here you can search http://localhost. It will open the IIS homepage. The IIS provided by Windows Server. Now here in Start menu you can search for IIS, Internet Information Services. This is the interface. Here you can manage your web server. Here you can connect to the localhost, the server, and see. Click on our web server. This is our web server name, and on the sites you can see here the default web page. While entering the localhost address, it is redirected to this page. Now you can add other HTML page and configure your website. So that's all about the basics of IIS, Internet Information Service. So I hope you guys understood about IIS. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me on the comment box. So see you on next video. Thank you.